Hey guys, this is Shrek and Nature Cat Awesome and Dorothy Explore Sucks here, and today I'm going to do a TV show review for the very first time on Nature Cat. Came in the year of 2015. So basically what the plot is, you got this house cat named Fred who transforms himself into Nature Cat, and he goes on amazing adventures with his adorable friends, Hal, Daisy, and Squeaks. And they teach kids about nature and all that stuff. And they go on this amazing adventure, and that's basically what the plot is for the show. What do I think of this show? It's a great show. Nature Cat is a really great show. I mean, the animation is spectacular. Like, I really like the animation in this show. It's done spectacularly, and the characters are so adorable. Like, look at the picture of these characters. Aren't they the cutest things? And the theme song is very catchy. I know what the theme song is, but I'm not gonna play it because I'm going to end up getting a strike, and I don't want that. So instead, yeah. But the theme song for this show is very catchy as well. I know what this is, but I'm not going to play it, unfortunately. And the episodes are really fun. And the jokes are really good as well. But here's one thing that sucks about it. And it's Ronald. Yeah, that's my only complaint about this show. Ronald sucks. He's the worst character ever from this show. He's a jerk, and he's very mean and rude. But other than that, this is a great PBS Kids show. In fact, this is the only PBS Kids show I really like. Because none of the shows I like, they got lots of crappy shows like World War, Super Y, Pig Plus Cat, Pinkalicious and Peterific, Ready, Check, Go. Ugh. But this one is very good. I hope this show gets a theatrical movie release. If it does, I'll be so happy, and I would go see it. And it will be a hell of a lot better than Teen Titans Go and Dora the Explorer. So yeah. This show gets a 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5, and 1,000 out of 1,000. This show is great. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. You're gonna love this show. It's an adorable show that you need to see. So yeah. This is Shrek and Nature Cat Awesome and Dorothy Explore Sucks here, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video.